Microsoft team, welcome back everybody. I'm Prakash Pradhan, your trainer for this entire series. In today's topic, we're going to talk about one of the important topic or the service that's been provided by Microsoft team in a form of your whiteboard, and we'll also look after or we'll see some of the features that we have in our advanced setting option of your meeting. So without wasting a further time, so let's go to our meeting and see how this whiteboard can be used properly and how the advanced setting can be set while conducting or doing any kind of meeting with the help of your Microsoft Teams. So rather than scheduling any type of meeting, it's better we go for the meet now. And if you'd like to see the detail how the meeting can be scheduled, what are the further setting, how the the clients are invited in your meeting to be joined, how the attendees are allowed to join, how you are going to send a mail from your organization or anyone from the out of your organization, that video is already uploaded. So if you like to see in detail, I would like to suggest you to go for that video. Now let's start to see how meeting is used over here in order to make the best utilization of your whiteboard along with some of the advanced setting of your meeting. So let's go to the meeting right now. Okay, we are not going to create any kind of link because we are not going to invite anyone to join the meeting, because we'd like to see how the whiteboard can be used and all the setting as we have discussed. So let's go to start meeting now. So as soon as we start a meeting, I do believe that you have already seen the previous video. Let's take it grant for that. Now we are not going to do any of other setting, we already know. Now let's go to join. It will give you one more option. Of course, we are going to close that as well. Now the first thing, after that I'd like to show you your background setting. Okay, now for the background setting, you go to these three dots, more option, and go for apply background effect. And Microsoft Teams has come up with this default background setting that you have. Let's say you would like to set a background with this image. You can see the preview as well. Okay, and it will show you the preview and you can apply it. For example, let's say apply this one, and you'll notice that your background is being applied what you selected right now. So if you say that I would like to have my own background image, it might be your photo or your organization's any image. In that case, Microsoft Teams has also provided with the customized option, that is to add a new image. And whenever you add an image, you need to make sure the image requirement that's been listed over here. Minimum size 360 into 360 pixel. Okay, maximum size, file types are already given. So whenever you add any type of image, it should be in this range. So let's try to add any of the image in our case. So I'm going to take any image that I have in the desktop. So let's take it any image, and it's going to show us with the preview as well. See here, we are going to select this image and we are going to go for the preview. Okay, and it will show you along with the preview. Okay, background image, background effect. Okay, select the image, take it and preview. It will show you the preview as well. See, this is your image. So if I go for apply and turn on the video, it will turn on my video as well as it's going to show me that background. See now, this is the background. Okay, so let's go with the default one. Okay, so I'm going to apply straight. I don't want to go for the preview. Now over here, if you say that the image that you have uploaded in order to keep as a background for your meeting, if you don't want to have that in your list, you can simply click in these three dots and you can press remove and then apply. So it is done now. Okay, so let's turn off this video. Now there are other options that I want to show you today. Okay, now the most important thing that we are going to show today as per the topic says, that is about your whiteboard. So let's see how to work with the whiteboard, how the text can be typed, how the figures can be added over there, and how that can be saved. So let's go to the Microsoft Whiteboard. Let's click whiteboard and it's going to come up with your whiteboard screen over here, and it is going to definitely ask you that would you like to allow others to participate, to work in a collaboration, or you'd like to work only for yourself. That means only you can edit. If you'd like to work in this collaboration, so it's given option over here, collaborate on whiteboard, everyone can edit. It is up to you. Okay, so let's go to prevent, and only I would like to have this. Okay, now this is your whiteboard that's been given by the Microsoft team, and these are the options that you have. This is a black pen that you can write over here. Different color pens are given over here, and you do have over here eraser as well. If you'd like to erase, you have an eraser. Just a click, it will get erased automatically. Now if you would like to add any kind of text okay, in this whiteboard, you can go for the text also. So let's draw something, okay, anything, then go to the text. Now it will allow you to type the text as well. Let's say sample text. Got it? Now it is done. It's your sample text, and you do have options over here. See again, edit the text, or you can even text the color also. That means this color picker option is also there. Now which color would you like to have over here while typing the text? That option is here. Now if you'd like to delete, of course the option is over here. Now another thing that we have over here along with this Microsoft Team, you can add a note, okay, apart from that, and you can also choose the color of your note as well. See, you can write a note over here, and you can also customize. That means you can also make a change the size. I mean to say that you can just customize as per your need, and the same options are here. You can edit the text, whatever you have written over here. You can also change the color. Okay, see, it is done. And if you would like to delete, just click this one, it will get deleted. Now apart from that, if you are interested to add, you know, any kind of image that whenever you are taking classes, you are teaching in a school or college, university, anywhere, and if you'd like to come up with some of the image for the sake of your some sort of instance, okay, for example, you also have option over here to add some of the shapes. These are the shapes. Now you can easily add it, okay, any kind of shape that you want. See, these are the options. Okay, now if you'd like to undo, it seems like office package, you can do that also. Okay, and one more thing what we have over here, you can open in app also. Get the app. You do have option, get the Windows app for this whiteboard. Okay, so right now we are not going to do that. We are going to work with this Microsoft Team only, and you do have other setting option over here. Okay, you have option. You can import whatever, the changes you made in your this whiteboard, whatever presentations were done, whatever images or the shapes were drawn over here. If you think this information is needed for the future reference, in that case Microsoft Team has also provided you with the option to export this image. Okay, it is going to save in a PNG. Now you can click this one and it will get exported. That means it's going to download. See here, it will download and it will come to your download option automatically, that also. Okay, so let's go to the download now. Then you'll see the image is already downloaded. So let's see now, downloads. See, whiteboard, it's downloaded now, that image. If you'd like to open up with the, let's say go to the photo, you can open with any option that you want. See, this is the image that we worked last time for our actually Microsoft Team Whiteboard. So this option is here, and if you want other participant to get permitted over here to add on this, you can turn on also. Option is yours. Okay, you can also have option for the feedback and of course for the help also. Now there are other things also I would like to show you today over here. You can go for the gallery. You can also write for the note that I do believe I have shown in my previous video. So over here, one of the most important thing that you need to understand, for this scheduling a meeting, organizing any meeting, the background effect can be done as per your convenience. Apart from this note or apart from this whiteboard, this option is also very much important whenever you organize any kind of meeting. Okay, so this was an easy tutorial to work with your Microsoft Teams, your whiteboard, and I do believe it was easy for you to understand. It was fruitful. So if you like it, if you find it easy to understand, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.